Ari muthenya ukuiyirwo ni mihango meige makiria mucini wa Nairobi kuria mahenya ma Beyond Zero megutavanagio. Riboti cia inahi cia mutino wa ndege ukorwo hanikite bururi-ini wa Ethiopia wikuruhania ndege ya bururi ucio iria guka guku bururi-ini ni icenjirie riera ria bururi o rimwe. Makiria kuri arata, family na endwa aria mekwambite makiharo-ini kia JKIA gwetera endwa ao aria megutanyitwo kumamukira kiharo-ini kiu mathaini ma thainya ndege yo yarikia kuumba.
I had come to pick my brother-in-law. He's called Derek Lugi. He was to arrive at around 10:15. So we were here by 10 and we saw the board was saying the plane landed exactly at 10:15.
Endwa aya magithie na mbere gutariria uria mamukirire riboti cia ndege ya ithaa riu gukorwo egite mutino na ruo rwa kwaga kumenyithio kiria kirathie na mbere kuma kuri mundu wothe kiharo-ini kiu.
We arrived here exactly at 10 and unfortunately now she delayed and then we have heard that the breaking news there is a aeroplane from Ethiopia has crashed and now we are stranded and now I'm going to get information from the airport authorities.
We have been here around midday is when we are hearing some news. A few minutes to midday we are seeing some news on social media and when we see the timing of the plane is the same timings. The plane my brother-in-law had boarded was taking off from Ethiopia.
Ruo roro giakiririo makiria ni minista wa ukui James Masharia uria gwikinyetie kiharo-ini kiu kurumira mutino ucio ari na riboti cia ati thirikari ya Kenya ndiri no hoti wa kumahe riboti o ciothe tiga no cirekereirio ni kambuni ya ndege ya Ethiopian Airlines.
At this point I cannot tell you the 149 passengers, their nationalities. We don't have the details about which countries they came from. We don't have information about the gender of those passengers. But upon getting that information, which as you know, the primary source of that information will be Ethiopian Airlines.
Na rita minere akonina hahuiria yuma na endwa aya ne kuigirwo keheri-ini ceceni igiri cia guteithiriria endwa acio kwamukira ndeto igie mutino ucio makiria riri kuma na muhuhu ati ona thabari ya ndege yo yuma ngaje kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta.
We are aware that there is a lot of anxiety, especially for the relatives and friends of those passengers. And so we would like to request your indulgence in terms of being patient as we wait for this information.
Hamwe na aria makuiriire mutino uyu ni hamwe na Hussein Swale uria wari mwandiki munene wa kiama kia muvira bururi-ini, Christina Lalo uria urari kamishna wa borithi rungu rwa Amisom, Juliet Otieno uria urari murugamiri wa wandikani ruhonge-ini rwa kuramata iharo cia ndege bururi-ini, na George Kabugi uria urahurukite wira kuma mbiraru-ini. Kurumira mutino uyu atongoria huko bururi-ini magitongorio ni President Kenyatta, munini wake William Ruto na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ni matumite ndumiriri cia macakaya kuri family cia aria othe mahutirio ni mutino uyu makiria Kenya. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.